Yes, so the audio and the video are absolutely fine. So now we are going to start our today's session, which is common problem of every GATE aspirant they face usually at this point of time, which is almost the first week of December, and we have 2 months left. If I talk about for the ECEE students, then we have only 2 months exactly. And now, what should be your approach to crack this particular exam, and what is coming in your mind? That is the common problem for every GATE student. It is not you that you are facing this problem. Actually, every aspirant face this type of problem. So let's understand this. What is this problem and how to overcome with this problem? So just share this session to the everybody so that the maximum students can be benefited, and the maximum students will come live and they will tell their problem. Then you will understand that yes, everybody is facing the same problem. You are not only the one who is facing this type of problem, but everybody is facing this, and that will give you the confidence also, because when you will see that people around you are also facing the same problem, then it will also get you will get the satisfaction that no, you are not alone in this race. Everyone has their own problem, and along with that the common problem also. Okay, so let's check that whether the students have joined live or not, and we will start our session. I will tell you about the brief problem that every student face at this point of time, and I will also tell about how to overcome with that. And this will be a very quick session, so that later on also when the students will come, they will also get benefited from this. From gate ec can I get from gate ec can I get into the data science field? From after the gate ec, see, there may be two things. Means when you will do the mtech in particular specialization, there will be a chance where you can opt the coursework in the data science. And the second one is, when you do the coursework in the data science, there may be a chance that you get some project in the field of data science that you can opt, because most of the time the students choose their own project, their field of interest they choose as a thesis. So if you are interested in the going into the data science, then what you have to do is just you have to do the mtech project in the field of data science. Then you will go with data science, and then you can easily go in that particular field, data science, right? So this will be the way that you can go into the data science field. There is first thing, which is the coursework that you will do, and that coursework will give you the minimum eligibility that you can do the mtech project in the data science field. And there will be a list of projects that will come across you when you will do the mtech. Then you have to choose the project in such a way that it should be in the direction of data field. And suppose the list of project that you get, if you don't find it in the field of data science, then you can talk with the professor under which you want to do the mtech, and then give your idea that what project can be done in the mtech thesis. And if they accept, then also you can do your mtech in that field, and then you will be placed according to that particular domain. Yes, Ganesh, you can do that. As I told you, you have to just take care of the project. Once you do the mtech project in the field of data science, automatically your field of direction will be in the data science. Yes, there is a lot of job in the data science field. It depends on the different company to company and the project running, and there is a multiple projects running in the field of data science. But you don't think of the placement, right? Because in the placement you will get the job, but it may be it may not be in the field of data science, because it is not necessary that the company which will recruit you have the project in the field of data science. So they will recruit you because of their performance in the MTech. Okay, whatever will be the performance, if you perform well in the MTech and you perform well in the MTech, then in the interview also they will recruit you. But it is not guaranteed that they will have project in the field of data science. So you have to choose it wisely. Okay. Yes, good evening. And Ritik Kumar, I finished the 8 subject except EMT and communication. What is the best way to finish? Yes, Ritik. So, to finish the EMT and the communication from this point, because you have 1 month to finish it, because from the January onwards, you don't need to, come across with the new concept. You only have to stick with your old concepts. Whatever you will learn till this month, you have to stick with that, and you have to be confident with those topics. Then, because we all know that we are not going to solve the all 65 question in the gate examination, we want to solve the number of questions which will give us a good rank, a very decent rank. If you are looking for the top 10 or top 50 rank, then obviously the complete coursework is required for the EMT and communication. But if you are looking for the under 500 rank or under 1000 rank, then then with the very important concept of the EMT and communication, this rank can be achievable. And for this, you have to go with the crash course of communication and EMFT wherever you find the suitable. Well, in our platform also we have the good playlist with the EMFT and communication. So, and also I am going to start the communication after 1 or 2 weeks, so you can follow that, and otherwise you can find a proper playlist with the 30-40 lectures of each topic in the sense each subject, that the communication will have 20-25 lectures and EMT will have the 20-25 lectures. Then follow those particular playlist, and then you can finish those subjects. Okay, and you can also take an advantage of our app course. See, let me give you the Ritik answer. So we have the rank booster series also. Let me give you the idea about this rank booster series. Okay, okay. Rank booster series is also there. Let me tell you about this. This is the new course we are launching on free. Okay, this is a free course that we are launching. Okay, free course in the BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay, Ritik, new series on the GATE app. This is for the GATE 24 fundamental series that you can tell to your juniors, and the rank booster series. This is the rank booster series for GATE 23. So this GATE 23 rank booster series, we are actually covering the important topics only. So in this topic, you will get the idea of the EMT and communication, which topic you have to study and which topic you should not. And here the theory plus questions will be covered. Okay, the theory plus questions will be covered in the rank booster series. So you can join our live session on the BEP app, and that is completely free for the GATE 23 student, and the name of this series is rank booster series. Okay. Yes. Now, Ganesh, or should I take internship? I got internship in the data. Yes. If you get the internship in the field of data science, then that would be great. Okay, that would be the best thing, that if you get the internship in some company, and from there you can get the PPO. Okay, if you get the pre-placement offer from your internship, then that would be the great thing. Okay. Okay, anything else that you want to ask Ganesh about this? Else I will start my session. Yes, they are giving. Okay, so that's good. That is very good. That if you are getting the pre-placement offer in the data science field, then you should go with that because you want to stick with that. Okay, so those who don't know about myself, I want to give you my brief introduction that this is Saket Verma, and I have done MTech from IIT Guwahati in the field of signal processing, and I'm having more than 12-year experience. I have cracked the different PSU exams as well. So if I say about the different PSU exam, then it is Airport Authority of India, DRDO, and Bharat Electronics Limited. And I have mentored more than lakhs of students. I have guided them, and I have guided them to achieve their rank, their dream job, their career, to make their career. Okay. And electromagnetic theory, communication system, advanced communication system, these are the core subjects of electronics, and that I take. And there is a common subject also, which is a signals and systems, that I also take. So we have started one GATE Aimer series, which is a free crash course of YouTube. So those who want to finish some subject, or they want to revise some subject through the important concept and questions, they can join this series, and that is every day except Sunday at 9 p.m., and that has been started from 14th of November. So three subjects almost we have finished, and there are multiple subjects which are going to finish in this month. And we have one mega workshop also. This is a GATE mega workshop, where the Abhinav Negi sir, who is also having more than 10-year experience, are going to tell you about the 7 golden rules to secure a single digit rank in the GATE 2024. So if you are a GATE 24 aspirants, and if you want to attempt GATE 24 again, then you can just achieve this, you can attend this workshop, and you can also tell this to your juniors, so that they can also get help to get the single digit rank. And this is tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. Okay, this is tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. So there is a GATE test, GATE and ESE test series also running in our app. So you can take the advantage of that, get unlimited access to the full length mock test and subject wise test. And the link is given in the description. So all the things, whichever you want, the link for everything is given in the description. So you can follow that. Okay. In the what you get in the test series, 60 plus test, you will get detailed mock test, you will get virtual scientific calculator is there. This is curated by the GATE experts, so you will get the feel of GATE, and you will also get the question as per the standard of GATE and ESE both. And all India open mock test is there, and 4,000 plus practice questions are there. Okay, so that is the biggest thing that you will have in the BYJU'S exam prep application, which you will never get anywhere. Okay, so what is the point which is coming in your mind at this point of time is, self-doubt. So now most of you will might be facing this thing, that you might be thinking of whether you will be able to finish the syllabus or not. Okay, whether you will be able to crack the GATE exam or not. Do I have the sufficient or enough talent to crack this type of exam? Because you have never prepared of this type of exam, and now at this point of time, when you have in the middle of your syllabus, or maybe toward the end of the syllabus, but it has not been completed yet, and you are looking around yourself, and all the other friends have almost completed, they have also given the test series, and still you are struggling with the theoretical concept of the subject. So you may get the this doubt. Okay, you may get this doubt that whether you are having enough talent, because why your friends are able to finish and you are not able to finish the subject. So it may create a doubt for you, that is known as the self doubt here. So till now I had prepared the 5 subjects: apti, maths, control, network, digital, and ongoing is the part sufficient to crack. So these 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 5 subjects are not sufficient for getting the good rank. You can crack the gate, but it is just a qualifying marks. You may get the around 20, 30 to 40 marks, and this 30 to 40 marks is not actually sufficient. Okay, yes, that is what I have taken. That is why I have taken this particular session, because I know that what students are facing right now. As I told you that I am having more than 12 years experience, I know that what comes in your mind at this point of time. So what you have to do, if you have not finished the syllabus yet, then what you have to do, you have to focus only on the core material. That means you have to be specific with the topics that you are going to study now. From the rest of the subject, you should not start the subject from the scratch. Okay, you have to take any subject which you want to finish up to this month. You have to make a to-do list. Okay, just make a to-do list and make them up to 30 December. Okay, make that list up to the 30 December. You should know that which topic you have to study, and that will be easily you can find from the previous video of myself, because I have given you the important topics of every subject. So just find those important topics, make the to-do list, and in that list, in the front of the subject, write those topics, and see from where you are going to study that topic, and how many days it will take to finish that. So likewise, you prepare from the 5th December, that is Monday, because tomorrow you have to take the time to make that to-do list. So from 5th December to 31st December, you have to complete your to-do list, and each day and each duration you should know that what you are going to finish. That means in the morning session what you will study and which part you will finish. In the afternoon what will you do. In the evening what will you do, and when will you do revision of the previous subject that you have finished. So make the complete list, and if you will prepare the complete list, then at the end of this month you will be able to finish the 70 to 80% of the subject, and the previous subject that you have finished completely, and along with that the rest of the subject that is left with you will be at least finished with the core material, that is the important topic, and that is always consider from the previous year question paper. So if you are having the time to analyze, or if you know what are the important topics, then that's great. And if you don't know, then I have made 5 momentum topic for each subject. So you can go in the video section of our channel. In this channel itself, you go into the video section, and there is a 5 momentum topic. So at least read those 5 topics from each subject which is left. Okay, the subject which you have already finished, that is a main बोलना चाहिए कि आपका मेन अस्त्र है वो, है ना. You have the weapon with you, that you have finished 5 subjects and that is complete. So that means you are going to solve full questions from all those 5 subjects, and for the remaining 5 subjects you have to focus only on the core material, which is the 5 momentum topic which I had told. Okay, I had told you which are the 5 subject top. So now I am taking the next question. What is the revision plan for the last 2 months? How to cover all subjects for one day? How many subjects will be making to the revision effectively? Yes, so I hope that you are having a short note with you, or if you have not short note with you, then what you have to do, you might have highlighted the important formulas in your main notebook. Okay, that is the main notebook which will be having around full complete theory and questions. So that notebook you might be highlighted, or you might be having your own short note. So you have to revise every day, and again you have to divide it in such a way that each subject should come in the cyclic manner. That means if suppose I have revised the network theory today, because I have completed it from the scratch, so it will take around 2 to 3 hours to revise it perfectly. Okay, so 2 to 3 hours you have to take for the revision of the previous subject. So every day you have to keep 2 to 3 subjects, and when you will do this for 1 week or 2 week, then after the next week, that means after 2 weeks, starting from the third week, when you will revise the network theory again, then it will not take 2-3 hours, because you are revising the subject cyclically. Then definitely after the 2 weeks you will not forget many things. Okay, you will be able to recall more concept, and you will only forget few concepts, and that concept will take some time, and the remaining concepts that is in your mind, it will not take so much time. So in the beginning, when you are revising it for the first time or the second time, it may take 2 to 3 hours, and if you are revising it for the first time, it will also go up to 4 hours, depending on the length of the subject. Like suppose if I talk about the communication, so communication is a vast subject. So when you will revise it for the first time, it will definitely take 4 hours, and when you will revise it for the second time, this 4 hours will reduce into 3.5 hours, and then again when you revise it for the third time, it will take around 2 hours. So likewise it will gradually decrease. But what you have to do is you have to revise all the subject that you have finished cyclically. So that is important. Whenever you do the revision, you have to revise the subject regular basis, cyclic manner. Okay. So college going students is very difficult to manage the GATE preparation. Yes, Sonali. So I understand that the college going students are having right now semester examination, and because of this semester examination, it becomes very difficult for the college students to manage with the semester exam and the GATE preparation. But because throughout the year you might have focused only on the GATE, so you have to give proper focus on the your semester exam as well. And what you have to do is you have to just do the revision during the semester exam. You don't worry about what will be happening if I will not solve questions, if I will not read the theoretical concept. Whatever subject you have finished before your semester exam, just revise those subjects. That is the time where you can, do the pakka of that concept. Means all the concepts will be in your hand. Okay, the subject that you have finished before your semester exam, the concept of those subjects should be in your fingers. That you have to do till the end of your semester exam. Once the semester exam gets finishes, you have to just perform the subject wise test or the topic wise test, and the new subject you have to start if suppose some subject is left. And obviously in the December month you cannot you cannot give more than few days. Means you cannot give 20-25 days, more than 20-25 days to finish the subjects, because till the end of the December you have to finish all of your subject, and from the January onwards you have to just do the revision and practice the question, and you have to revise the concept and give the mock test. Only you have to do that in the month of January. No new concept, only important concepts you can focus on. If you have enough time, then you want to prepare any subject and you have enough time, and if you are confident about the rest of the subject, then you can go with the subject which is bit easy, and which is very easy to which from where the formula based question only comes. So that topic you can mark it and keep in your mind that if I get time, then I will read this topic from this subject. Otherwise, the subject that you have already finished, just stick with those subjects, be confident on those subjects, and have faith on yourself that with this subject also I can crack the GATE examination. You have to solve around 40 to 45 questions correctly in the GATE examination. Whatever subject you have studied, just see that with those subjects that you have finished completely, whether you are able to cover 40 to 45 questions or not. If suppose you are able to complete or cover the 40 to 45 questions in the GATE examination with the subjects that you have prepared, so it means that you are in the good stage and you are able to crack the GATE exam with the very good rank. So you have to stick with this 4 to 6 to 7 subjects whatever you have finished, which is covering this 40 to 45 questions, and you don't need to go into the new subject, and you should not start learning the new concept. Okay, because every subject is divided into the two parts, you can say. There is a two type of subject. One is the memory dependent subject and another is the problem solving subject. Memory dependent subject means where we have more theory and less numericals. Like the subjects like electronic devices, we have more theoretical concepts. Subjects like a measurement, if you are from electrical, we have more theoretical concepts. And subjects like signals and systems, control systems, we are having more problem solving subject. Digital electronics, so each subject is divided into the two parts, memory dependent subject and problem solving subject. So if you have any subject in which the theory comes, and if you are able to memorize the things easily, then the solving the problems, then you should go with the memory dependent subject. Okay, and whatever you are learning in the new subject, you should learn it and write it. If you learn just you will learn and you will see, then it will be there your mind, but not for the longer period of time. But if you write something, it will retain in your memory for the longer period of time. So it would be always better if you will learn any concept and then write it. So it would be better for you. Okay, so what should be the procedure or the way that I am not able to finish the online test, because there are number of tests, because of the competition that everybody provides more than 50-60 tests. Even we have also more than 60 tests in our test series. So how do you complete all those tests? So that may be worrying you there, because you are not able to complete the number of tests and your friend is completing the all tests. It doesn't mean that you are lagging. Okay, just that you have to focus on your strength. What is your strength? Okay, so whatever is your strength, stick with your strength. If but don't miss the attempting the online test with the mock test. Okay, means in the online test you will be having the topic wise test also, and subject wise test also, and mock test also. So you have to go with the mock test. At least you have to finish 7 to 8 mock tests before the gate examination, and you have to give at least one subject wise test. If you will be able to attempt these many number of tests also, that is itself sufficient. The online test, the online test, what it gives you the environment. It will help you to learn your mistakes. So what you have to do with the online test, whatever you are attempting, whether it is a topic wise or a subject wise or a mock test, what is your job with that test? You have to analyze, you have to find your mistake, you have to write your mistake. So you have to make one notebook which is known as mistake notebook. Okay, so whatever mistake you are doing in your online test, you have to write it. You have to see that every time whenever you are attempting the next test, so that you will be that will be in your mind that yes, this thing you should not do. Means the mistakes that you have done in the past, that you don't want to repeat. So for that you have to see your error copy. Okay, that is error notebook. Then you will see that, you will find you what is your mistake you are doing, and that mistake you should not do again in the next test, that you should do in the online test. So for my digital electronics subject, 34 video lecture remaining, and right now I am revising control system. Within 2 days it will finish, and after that I will revise network for 4 days. After I will continue the digital electronics 34 lectures. Okay, so is it that okay? Yes, that is completely fine, no problem, because it is important that whatever you have learned before, that should be in your fingertip. Okay, the concept of the control system and your network should be in your fingertips. You should be able to solve all the questions from those topics, because you have finished only 5 subjects and you have to finish at least 2 more subjects to get the decent rank. Okay, so at least go with the 7 subjects, then you may think of getting the rank under 2000 with those 7 subjects also. But try to give the remaining 3 subjects, the previous year questions, at least you go and check and learn the formulas. FT and maths are on the daily basis. I think Ganesh, FT and mathematics are not having that much concept, so you can avoid revising every day, because the maths is something where we already know, it is in our blood. Yes, all the engineers are having maths in their blood. Okay, when you will cut it, the maths will flow, right? So I don't think that maths requires so much revision. You can revise it on the weekly basis, or in the 3 to 4 days also you will revise. You will be able to recall all the things, because it is just like a see, suppose we have never learned this formula like a plus b whole square. It requires revision or not? No, the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, does it require revision? No. So likewise, there are many concepts of maths which doesn't require the revision. So in the maths also, if you are doing the revision on the daily basis, what is the requirement of the revision of the maths daily basis? Because when I will revise it yesterday, I don't think that I will forget it in a very quick way. Means in the very soon you will not forget the concept of maths, at least because this is not a theory thing that I have to learn some definition and I have to write the definition somewhere so that I have to revise it again, right? So I don't think that it requires the revision every day, because it is aptitude is very common thing. It is like एकदम basic thing है ना, तो ये आपका बिल्कुल बेसिक चीज है, तो आप इसको आराम से वीक में एक बार भी पढ़ोगे तो आपको याद रहेगा, है ना। अब बेटर है कि वो जो टाइम आप रिवीजन के निकाल रहे हो उस टाइम में आप कुछ नया सब्जेक्ट ट्राई करो जिसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज आप लर्न कर सको और उस इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूले से रिलेटेड आप प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, तो दैट वुड बी मोर एडवांटेजियस फॉर यू। ओके, सो कई बार आपको ये भी लगेगा कि व्हाट विल हैपन इफ आई फेल। ओके, फेलियर, अगर आप किसी एग्जाम में फेल होते हो तो आपको इस बात का डर नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको आपके मन में ये थॉट नहीं आना चाहिए कि अगर मैं गेट एग्जाम को क्रैक नहीं कर पाया तो क्या होगा, है ना। अगर आप किसी एग्जाम में बैठ रहे हो, इसका मतलब ही यही है कि यू आर पुशिंग योर सेल्फ बियॉन्ड योर लिमिट्स। ओके, so you could probably live a safe and the boring life that is relatively free of failure if you want it, right? But you want to become, because of to better version of yourself, you are going to need to do the things that could cause you to fail. Okay, because you want to see yourself better every day, so that may cause the cause to fail. And because you are trying, you are pushing yourself beyond the limits, failing down is evidence that you have tried. Okay, if you are failing somewhere, that means it means that you have tried. It doesn't mean that you don't have enough capability. If you are failing, that doesn't mean that you are not having capability. If you are failing, that means you have tried it, and you have tried it at your best. That should be ensured. Okay, that is your work to ensure that whatever will be the result, I will try to give my best. I will try something very hard. Ritik, yes, actually I make all the videos I make in this particular channel, and as I told you in the in this rank booster series also, I am going to take the communication. Okay, in the rank booster series I am going to take the communication, and that will be in English. So you can just download the app. If you don't have downloaded it, download the app and register yourself for this particular course. Okay, rank booster series, and there I will teach you the communication, the important topic of communication, from where you will at least get 3 to 5 marks for sure. Okay, within the 6 to 7 classes I will make sure that you will get 3 to 5 marks from the communication. Okay, so download the app if you have not downloaded. So failure is an opportunity to sharpen your skill. If you get failed, that means you will learn something from your failure. If everything come easy, then you would not have an opportunity to learn the new things. Each time you fail, you can learn something. Okay, you can learn something new, whether you discover new solutions or you gain more insight, right? So failure can help you better next time. Okay, so failure means you will become better, you will do better next time, and recovering from the failure can make you stronger. Okay, so each time you become back from the problem and rise above the obstacles, you can grow mentally stronger. So when you recover from the failure, then it will obviously make you stronger mentally also. Okay, and you will learn the more concepts from the failure. So the failure doesn't mean that you are not capable, you don't have potential. It doesn't never mean that you are not having enough potential. Always remember that if you are getting failure, that means you have tried enough, you have opportunity to learn the new things, and when you get fail, you also become mentally strong. So accept that and go with the and learn with the failure. Okay. So this is it about the today's session, and don't forget to this subscribe this particular app and the channel so that you will get the enough information about the new things. And there is a free ebook also in the app, and you can go and you can check these ebooks, that is free ebook, and the link is given in the description. So for everything the link is given in the description. Just download the app and go and register yourself for free, and you will get all the things in the free itself. Okay, so thank you for watching this session, and we will meet with the this kind of session again, and all the very best to all of you, so that and yes, don't forget that you are capable enough, you can do this. Everybody has done it in the past, so you can also done you can also do this, you can also get the good rank from this point of time, and you are not alone in this race. There are many people who are facing the same problem. They are also going through the same mental stress. They are also having the semester exam. They are also have not performed the test enough, so they have not also completed the syllabus completely. So never ever demotivate yourself. Just be motivated, be confident, and keep studying. Okay, you will definitely get the good rank. Just have confidence in yourself and your preparation. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next session.